I'm Amna. I'm here again. I'm going to tell you unlocking e-commerce excellence, the proven tips and the tricks. In this video, we delve deep into the dynamic and competitive realm of e-commerce, providing the viewers with a wealth of knowledge and actionable insights. We share proven strategies and tactics that have been tried, tested, and trusted by a successful e-commerce entrepreneurs and experts. The video covers a wide range of topics, including effective product selection. We discuss how to identify the lucrative niches, sources high-demand products, and stay ahead of market trends. Optimizing online stores. Explore the art of creating visually appealing and user-friendly websites and online marketing places that convert the visitors into your customers. Marketing mastery. Learn the secrets of driving targeted traffic to your e-commerce site through various digital marketing channels such as SEO, social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Conversion optimization. Find out how to increase your sales and revenue by optimizing the product listings, pricing strategies, and the checkout process. Inventory management. Explore techniques for efficient inventory management to avoid the stockouts and overstock situations. Shipping and fulfillment. Learn about reliable shipping solutions and order fulfillment strategies that enhance your customer satisfaction. Analytics and data-driven decisions. Understand the importance of data analytics in tracking the performance and making the informed decisions to grow your e-commerce business. Throughout the video, real-world examples, case studies, and success stories illustrate the effectiveness of the tips and tricks presented. By the end of this video, viewers should have a solid foundation for building and scaling a successful e-commerce venture. Remember, the success of an e-commerce business often lies in the continuous pursuit of excellence and adapting to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Thank you very much for listening to us.